Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming.
Hello everybody, so I'm pretty much starting this video where I left off the last one. Still got Dexter here, as always. So in this video I'm going to be painting some of the panels. Hopefully getting them all done in this video, but I might end up making a second video, kind of finishing off the panels, getting them back on the bike, adding on a couple stickers, indicators, you know, that sort of body panel stuff. But anyway, I hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you very much for tuning in once again.
Were we made to fall? No, I'm not lonely when solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken, so open I gave until empty. Got it all back by myself, now nobody can tempt me. If I turn off alone, from the pressure, lessons after lessons, had to question these glaring design flaws.
Yeah, so that's the main kind of side paneling bit done. So it's had 1.5 kind of layers of primer. It's had one full layer and then one kind of patchy kind of filler layer. And then it's had 2 coats of the colour, the nice boy. And then it's had 1 coat so far of the clear. I'm going to see how that's looking when it's all dried, and if I need to, I can chuck another layer of clear on it. So tomorrow I'm going to try and get the big underneath panel done. That's the next one. And then I've got 2 side panels and then the front panel to do. So plenty still to do, but that's good progress so far.
Can't keep love built from a love song. No, I'm not only with solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken, so open I gave and 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 I. And if I'm better off alone, I breathe in, embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone.
There we go, so that's the big underneath panel painted as well. So it's had the primer, it's had only 1 layer of colour, and there are a couple points that are a little bit kind of grey. A little bit up there, I don't know if you can see it on camera, a little bit grey. But oh no, it's not bad. That's not very visible. It's actually on the bike, so I think it's actually going to be alright. So I've just gone and clear coated it all. So that's the other panel I did yesterday, up there. And these are the other panels on here. Now I know on camera we don't look massively different colours, but in real life there is quite a noticeable difference. So next I'm going to do the 2 side panels. I've got 1 there and then 1 there. And then obviously after that I've got the headlight to do. So you take the black bit off and then the headlight as well. And then that's me.
I breathe in, sit on my own, on my own. I've had my heart broken, crushed, yet I survived it. Refresh love, I've been reminded that it's all about alignment. Most people break up, most people break up. But even when broke, life's what you make.
panels are now painted. It's very, very cold, so I'm going to go back inside. But that's the clear coat that's been put on that one. Both been clear coated. The underneath panel, which you can't see, which is there, been clear coated. That's been clear coated. So we are all good. There we go. So I've just finished the last layer of clear coat on that. Unfortunately, overnight I had it up here drying, and it fell and scraped on the floor a bit. Sorry if you hear any noise, it's our boiler. So I had to do a quick kind of sand down repair on that. I've painted it, I've clear coated it, and it's all fine now, so that's all good. This one here, I've done a little bit of patching work. You can't even really see it, which is good, because it was just a bit faded. So a little bit of patching, need to still do clear coat over where I've patched it. That should be all good. Main side panel is done as well, so that was the first one I did. And then these little side panels down here are both finished as well. Both looking good. So that's pretty much it for this episode. That's all I wanted to get done. As you can see, that was still shiny because the clear coat's not dried yet. The rest are a nice kind of matte finish. That's worked really well. So I'll see you all on the next one. That'll be getting the panels back on, cleaning the frame up obviously first, and then getting some more accessories on the handlebars. I've got a few more bits over here. The other switch has arrived. Got the orange tubing in there. The brake levers. Got a temperature gauge and some indicators. But yeah, that's all for the next episode. So thank you to everyone who tuned into this one.